An Abuja resident, Mrs. Eunice Bright Ekwok, has alleged that a local hospital, Divine Rain Maternity Clinic, and the medical practitioner, Dr Timothy Zeje, kidnapped and trafficked one of her newborn twins. She began her antenatal care at the hospital in April 2022. During one of her early visits, she was asked to undergo a scan, which revealed that she was pregnant with twins. However, upon delivery, she was informed that one of the babies had died. She was not allowed to see the body of the deceased child. Later on, she discovered that the baby had not died, but had been abducted by the doctor and his wife.
The very day 11th, in the month of June 11th, 2022, we came, that is on Saturday. We came and they did another scan for me, and it still showed twins. We called the doctor said he's not around. We said, okay. He said he have told his doctors that they should go on with the things. We said, okay. I went inside and they explained everything to us, reaching to collect the baby clothes. They collect only one child clothes and two showers. I said, why? Take the other second one. He said, no, that the baby is not feeling fine according to the scan result. I said, but the man that explained to me said everything is okay, that the baby, they are okay. Why are you saying this? She said, no, that they, after giving birth to the twins, that they are going to put oxygen on one, that the breathing, the way they check that the breathing is too high. We said, okay. I went inside, asked them that my husband must come inside. They say no. That is their own procedure. Husband don't need to go inside with a wife. We said, okay. I went inside. When I got inside the room, I saw doctor standing with a doctor uniform. I was hearing the nurses arguing that the doctor said I should give her injection on her spinal cord. One said no, on her shoulder, and doctor did not say anything. I said, I've given birth to first child, second child, through CS, and they gave me injection on my spinal cord. Why do you people want to give me injection on my shoulder? Along the line, they forced me and gave me the injection on my shoulder. Then I couldn't remember anything. Reaching to bring the babies out, they brought only one child to my husband. My husband began to ask them, why? Where is the second one? They say, the doctor said the second one is one. My husband said, but you told us that it's two. Doctor did not reply anything again, then he left. When they brought me out, I asked my husband, where is my twins babies? He said, twins baby, doctor brought only one child to him. I said, no, don't say a thing like that. Okay, where is the remaining one now? He brought the child to me. The way the child looks like, it has changed to green totally. I said, let them call the doctor for me. They called the doctor. The doctor looked at the baby. He said, Kai, let them put oxygen on this child. If not, this baby will die. Immediately, they fixed oxygen on the child. Reaching like 1 hour and some minutes, he said, if this child remain here, he will die. He will not survive. My husband should look for a taxi to take my child to the specialist hospital, Gwagwalada. They take my child there. My husband remains there with the baby and my elder sister. One of the nurses came in to fix a drip on me. I asked her. I said, nurse, where is my twins baby? He said, doctor said nobody should tell you anything. But me, I'm just doing amebo for you. Don't allow doctor to know or anybody. I said, no problem. Tell me what happened. She said that the second baby is dead. I said, okay, where is the dead body? Have you people showed my husband? She said, no. I said, okay. I leave her when she through with fixing the drip on me. She wanted to go, and I called her back. I said, come, I don't understand. Where is my twins baby? Okay, where is the dead body now? He said to tell me the truth, the baby have scattered. I said, I don't understand. Scattered. Okay, I want to see the pieces and the bone. They couldn't find the pieces and the bone and brought to me. So I was so angry with what is happening to me. I was so totally confused. The day that doctor want to discharge me, he say, madam, it's today that will discharge you. I say, how? He say, yes, you are going home today. I say, okay, where is my twins baby? I want to see my twins baby. He say, your twins baby is dead. I say, you can't tell me that. Okay, where is the dead body? He say, to tell me the truth, he has scattered. I say, okay, I want to see the bone and the pieces. Doctor left. When my husband came, I told my husband, I said, now I don't have money. Even for the baby at the hospital, I don't even have money to pay for his feeding and everything. Now, where are we going to start? Leave this thing first, and your injection remaining one that these people will give you. And your child is the hand of doctor friend. You have to keep quiet for now. I said, okay, when they give me the remaining injection, my husband took me to Wawalada Hospital where my baby is. I told my husband that, so me, I'm going to fight for this child. Even when I'm not feeling fine, I will fight for this child. My husband said, let's go home. After 2 weeks, doctor now sent my husband a text message that, please, Mr. Bright, congratulate me. My wife have put to bed bouncing baby boys. My husband, he called him back and said, congratulations. When can we come and meet you? He said, I'm in the specialist hospital. My husband said, okay, we want to come and meet you there. He said, no, don't come until I call you. In fact, we'll soon come back home. My husband said, okay. When they came back home, my husband called him one faithful Sunday. He said, by now, you people should have been back. He said, yes, they are back, but he's in the church. Then when he come back, he will call you. My husband said, okay. My husband called him again. The phone ring, he did not pick. Till one faithful day that I went for immunization at Amak Hospital, Besa. I take my son there, and I was feeling this symptom of as if my child, when one child suck, when my child suck, it will be as if another one want to suck breast again. I was telling my husband that my child is not dead, and I will find the way out to get my child.
Okay.
When I went to the hospital, they inject my baby. He collect his own immunization. I'm about to leave. I saw Dr. Wife with 2 children, with one of the brother coming from house to the hospital. When I saw her, I was so shocked when I saw the baby in her hand. I said, why this child look exactly like my own child? What is happening? I asked her, are you a doctor wife? She said, yes. I said, yes, I remember. I said, when did you give birth to your child? He said, long ago, almost 6 months now. I said, congratulations, we greeted ourselves, and I be able to collect that child from her. I set my child on my lap, set the second one on my second lap. I be able to convince her to remove the cap of the child. Exactly my child. I was so totally confused. I said, I was confused. Oh, I don't know which one is my own again. I don't know the clothes that I wear my child. I could have not even remember which one is this and which one is my own. Then I left with anger. Told my husband, when I went home, I told my husband that, look, my baby is alive. My baby is not dead. I saw my baby in Dr. White's hand. He said, it can't be so. He said, okay, what are we going to do now? I said, me, I'm going to pretend as a hungry woman, as a poor woman looking for food to eat. Then I carried 2 of my wrapper that I bought that I've never sold it. I take it to their house, and I ask her, please, mother, I want to sell my wrapper. I'm so hungry. Even my children are hungry. Please, can you buy this wrapper from me? He said, are you not the woman that I met at the hospital, Amak? I say, yes. Please, we are doctor family friend. That is how I be able to convince her. We now became friend. And I started going to their house, visiting the child. Everybody in that area know how the woman treated the child, like rag. Sometimes I will go there, bet the baby, clean up the child. The child will poo-poo, the woman will leave the child, taking care of the other ones. I was so angry. One fateful day, I asked my husband that I want to go and ask for my scan result. He said, go ahead. I go to the hospital with one of my friends. I asked doctor, where is my scan result? I want to carry my scan result. He said, they have burned my scan result and burned my file. I said, it can't be so.
Let this be a lesson to everyone, if you are in the hospital for delivery, make sure you have someone with you. Don't go through it alone. Stay informed, subscribe for more updates, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you.